can't cook musubi if you're not on an island. Let's get started. And I gotta mention, there is a stunning view from this location. I'm not here to sightsee. I'm here to cook musubi. I'm getting the distinct impression that this is not an island that is uninhabited. There's goose poop everywhere, so let's hope I don't get chased off by geese. That would really suck. That I can fit my Go inside of my vintage solar cooker. Yeah, island living, island time, baby. I thought maybe I was in trouble for a second, but it looks like they're just doing some trail maintenance. The secrets to musubi is you want to save the actual container. Now the reason this is important is because we have our seaweed, but the rice needs to form a mold so we can wrap seaweed around the rice. Yeah, so we'll take the rice and shove it in there, and that'll give us a nice square rice patty. Also should add, it is October 14th at 2 o'clock. I've probably been out here for about, I don't know, 30 minutes cooking, actually cooking. The rice is almost done. That Spam looks amazing. It's jalapeno Spam too, by the way, I should add. Considering that the Sun Ghost fits in this thing, I think it's a really nice duo. It's almost like a marriage made in heaven. Ooh, it's hot. Alright, so we'll stick our rice down in there. And then we'll put our Spam in there. And then what we'll do, we'll pull it out. Alright, let's try it. Okay. First time for everything. Spam. So apparently there's some sort of a sweet sauce that you can put in here. Whatever. It's food. It's a different way to eat Spam, I guess.